Today we will look at one of the most popular technical analysis tools for every trader: average or simple moving average. I will tell you how to trade successfully using a trend indicator, a simple moving average. And I will explain how to set up a chart as well as share with you a few trading secrets. Well, before we start studying everything in more detail, I'll tell you a little about myself. My name is Mr.Kostenko. I have been trading for more than 25 years and have my own Telegram channel. You may already know me and have subscribed to me, but if not, I advise you to do it right now. The link to my Telegram channel is at the bottom of this video. I also have a VIP channel where we trade with all participants, which is absolutely free for all beginners. All you will need to do is register with the Binarium broker. This is the best broker at the moment, which has been working for quite a long period of time. And he has no problems with either withdrawal or replenishment of funds. I will also leave a link at the bottom of this video. You can register and trade with me. From here, let's take a look at the technical analysis indicator, which is popular among traders: average or simple moving average. This indicator is a trend indicator, the task of which is to confirm the existing trend. A simple moving average is the most frequently used indicator by market participants is technical analysis. It signals quite accurately at the beginning of the origin of the trend and at its end. Of course, it's not ideal, but it is used by almost all traders in the financial markets, make it indispensable and useful. Its interpretation is quite simple and is common to almost all technical analysis indicators. From here, let's set up the working window of our schedule. So, you and I see that initially we have a so-called area graph. Yes, there is a line, well, a little highlighted from below. The most popular is the technical analysis chart, which is called Japanese candlesticks. In fact, it appeared quite a long time ago, back in the 18th century, but it gained popularity in the global financial market among market participants already in the second half of the 20th century. Here in the left part at the bottom, we click on this interesting picture and select a candlestick chart here. This is exactly the shadow I'm telling you about now. Although, of course, in addition to the zone chart, which are presented by default, you can see bars and linear here, but again, I want to say what not only beginners but also professional market participants are quietly using the candlesticks chart type. So I click, here we have a graph. Here we see, in fact, red-green candle. A red candle means what at some point in time the price was decreasing, while the green one, on the contrary, was growing. Here we see what now in real time. We're experiencing an increase in the price, which has reached a certain support level of 1.0630, and I will definitely tell you what the support and resistance levels are, but a little later. And she pushed from this level of 1.0630 and is trying to grow up. Well, now let's get back to our topic, to simple moving average. I use at least two simple moving averages in trading. I set up one as a short period, the other as a long period. Here in this place, we actually have technical analysis indicators. The simple moving average, here is CMA, is the very first one from the top. Click on this label and here, in the column or in the period window, select for example the number 5. The number 5 means the dynamics of this indicator during the working week of 5 days. Well, we are considering in general in this situation the foreign exchange market. The foreign exchange market is not trading on weekends. Choosing the color, let it be red, and click on the apply button. Here we have the first moving average with a period of 5, or as it is sometimes called professional traders, a 5-day moving average. Please note that its price is above this moving average, which is already a kind of buy signals. But by and large, one moving average is not enough to really analyze the market and make trading decisions already. Let's choose another moving average. We all choose the same one and set the period 13. We will have is for two working weeks already. Leave the color blue, click apply. Please note that we have a second moving average, and here we see an interesting signal, namely the intersection of the short period from bottom to top, a longer period moving average in red. In fact, this intersection is a buy signal. Please note that the moving averages crossed and the price actively began to rise after the intersection. Most likely, if the upward trend continues, or the upward trend, as it is often also called, is strong, we will have a fairly active one. These two moving averages with a period of 5 and 13 will line up below the price chart, which in fact is a kind of confirming factor. Therefore, moving averages in this case, simple moving averages, are referred at as a graph confirming the existing trend. Please note what they really confirm: the upward trend. If you and I decided to open a deal now, then most likely after crossing two moving simple averages, on the second one on this candle, we had to make a deal with you to buy binary options for the euro-dollar currency pair. Please note what during the period while the candle is being formed and the formation of these two candles is taking place, the time would have passed before the expiration of your transaction and you would have already made a profit. Friends, the simple moving average indicator is quite interesting and adequate, but is not enough to really get the most correct signals for making trades. Traders often experiment with different periods of this indicator. Someone can choose not like me 5 or 13, but maybe less than another period, or vice versa more, which is normal. Everyone has their own approach and their own strategy. But, as I said, one indicator or even two simple moving averages is not enough. Therefore, market participants, professional players, they also expose other indicators of technical analysis, which in fact is accurate and correct. Today I have introduced you to the popular and interesting indicators of the simple moving average. If you have any questions or would like me to show you other technical analysis indicators, write comments under this video. I will definitely answer everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, link to the Telegram channel and my Instagram below in this video. I will be glad to help you and have a good trading.